Hey everyone! Before entering the new year, ask yourself just one question. Who do I want to see in the mirror a year from now? Imagine that person. Maybe someone who talks confidently in English, drives smoothly, and has lots of friends. What are your goals? Write them down, make them clear. Now let's talk about what you can do to become that person. It's not just about setting goals, it's about taking action. If speaking English is on your list, dedicate time each day to language practice. Join language exchange programs, use language learning apps, whatever works for you. If you want to learn to drive, sign up for driving lessons, get your learner's permit, and practice regularly. Small steps lead to big achievements. Want more friends? Go to events, join clubs with your interests, and be open to making new friends. Write down what you're going to do. Remember, the journey is important. As they say, a year from now, you'll wish you started today. Here's your challenge. When the clock says it's the new year, ask yourself this question and decide what you're going to do. What can you do today to be proud of the person you see in the mirror a year from now? Take that step. Make that promise. Don't let yourself down. Thanks for being with us. Subscribe for more things that will make you feel good, and let's make this year awesome. Happy New Year, and let's be the best version of ourselves.